Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How Logical YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your Zoosk account, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Zoosk app, and once you open it you will be able to see the interface on in the screen where you can see four sign up options. First one is Facebook, another one is Apple, third one is Google, and last one is email. And if you already have an account, then simply tap on the login and you will be able to log in from here successfully. So let's tap on the sign up, which is at the bottom of this screen, to create your account. So you can see there are four options. So let's tap on the Apple for now, and now tap on the continue. And now once you verify yourself, you will be able to log in successfully. You will be able to create your account successfully. So basically this is how you can create your Zoosk account. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.